Masicka, wife, kids, career, net worth and future revealed. What's good, everyone? Get ready for an exclusive deep dive into the life of Masicka, the dancehall superstar. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell to stay updated on all things dancehall. Today, we're uncovering Masicka's personal life, career milestones, net worth, and what's next for this Jamaican icon. Let's dive in. Born Javaun Fearon on December 4, 1993, in Spanish Town, Jamaica, Masicka grew up in Portmore's Sin City, where his passion for music ignited. Known for his lyrical prowess and genre-blending style, he's a dancehall force with hits like They Don't Know and Top Striker. But what about his personal life? Let's explore. Details on Masicka's wife and children are scarce. As of 2025, there's no public confirmation of a spouse or kids. He keeps his personal life private, focusing on his music and family ties, like his younger sister, Ardenne. His discretion adds to his mystique, leaving fans curious about whether he's single or keeping a relationship low-key. Masicka's career is a testament to his hustle. Mentored by dancehall legend Popcon, he started performing at local talent shows and honed his craft at Calabar High School, earning the nickname, The Future, for his lyrical talent. His breakthrough came with singles like Who Feels Me, earning a MOBO Awards nomination, and hits like Preemie, Drip, with Sean Paul, and Love Story, 2022. Collaborations with Vybz Kartel, Shenseea, and Damian Marley have boosted his global appeal. His music, blending dancehall with Afrobeats and R&B, resonates worldwide, with over 971 million YouTube views and 1.43 million subscribers. Live performances, streaming royalties, and merchandise also fuel his success. Masicka's net worth is estimated at $500,000 to $15 million, with sources like Forbes and Popnable citing figures from $500,000 to millions by 2024. His income streams include music sales, streaming, e.g., $23,700 monthly from YouTube, concerts, and real estate investments. In 2024, his earnings ranged from $851,500 to $1.1 million, with projections for 2025 estimating $926,300 to $1.2 million. His savvy investments in property and tech brand endorsements showcase his financial acumen, balancing luxury with philanthropy, like funding scholarships and community projects in Jamaica. Looking to the future, Masicka shows no signs of slowing down. With new music, potential collaborations, and ventures in entertainment and fashion on the horizon, his net worth and influence are set to grow. Industry analysts predict his innovative approach will keep him at dancehall's forefront, inspiring aspiring artists. That's Masicka's story. What's your favorite track? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more dancehall updates.